How to use paste special. As an Excel beginners, if you ever need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide values across cells, you can actually use paste special, and it's helpful for these kind of situations. So here I have my sales volume by clients, and I just received an email with an attachment from my boss that contains additional sales volume. What I need to do is add these values to these ones. Notice that clients are in the same order. Now, how do I do this? Well, you might think, I could just copy these, paste these here, then add a column to sum these up, and then replace these with the values. But no, you don't have to do that. All you need to do is this, copy these values. So just press Ctrl+C, go here. Right mouse click Paste Special. Select Add. Let me just bring this to the side, so you can see the effect. Take a look at these numbers. When I press OK, the values are automatically added. How cool is that? Now, let's say my boss wants the values to be in thousands. All you have to do is let me just type 1000 in this cell, press Ctrl+C, select these, right-click, select Paste Special, and we're going to multiply. Notice you have these other options as well to subtract or divide if you want to. I'm going to go with multiply. Click OK, and my values are now in thousands.